This is what it's like in the morning. Mr. Coates, say hello to the camera. He is the biggest brat ever. He's usually barking right now and fighting Gunner. Poor Gunner's extremely tired. Look at that face. His face. Oh, I know. I'm an old man. Coda is not. Oh, I know. It's such a hard life you have. Oh. Mr. Coates. Stop licking there. Let's go have breakfast. You guys want breakfast? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go get breakfast. You want to go outside? You already woke up the neighbors this morning. Sit. Good sit. Coda, good sit. Oh my goodness, good sit. Good boy. There they go, off into the backyard to fight. Okay, breakfast time. Come on, guys. This is how it is every morning. Gunner eats like a pig. Coda eats like for a little bit, and then he walks away. Just watch. He will do it in a second. Maybe not. Yep, see? Walks away. He doesn't like his kibble. Coda, eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Good boy. Are you tired? Mr. Coates, Mr. Coates. Do you like his paw position? It's classy, isn't it? Mr. Coates is tired. He looks like he's tired. He's such a model. He's so pretty. How, Mr. Gunge? Yes, I am. I'm very pretty. Who do you think you are? Goodbye.